How to add an NGL link to Instagram story. Hi guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to add an NGL link to a story in your Instagram account. But before that, please click the subscribe button for more other tutorial videos like this. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store and search NGL. Here, install the app. Once the app is installed, open it. Since I already installed the app, I will just open it. This app allows anybody to send anonymous messages to me on my Instagram story via clicking the link I pasted on my story. So to get that link, choose this Send Me Anonymous Messages. Then on the screen, click Copy Link and then OK. Now, if you want to add this to your story, go ahead and open your Instagram app. Next is tap the plus icon on your Instagram profile. Choose the photo that you want to post on your story. Now, tap the sticker icon located at the top. From the list, click the link sticker. In here, we are going to paste the link that we copied in our NGL app. Once you already pasted it, click on Done. In here, we can make the sticker bigger. You can also change the colors by tapping it. And then you can position it anywhere you want. After that, you can now post it by clicking the arrow at the lower right corner of the screen. Then click on Share. Your follower on Instagram will follow this link to send anonymous questions and messages. These responses will be seen in the inbox section of the NGL app. So that's it for our tutorial video. If I help you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you very much and have a good day.